January 7th, 2021, focus question. We have the same question that Megan was given the following set of data from her teacher about the amount of siblings each student had in her class. Find the outliers. We're going to find something called an outlier. So first of all, remember we found that mode, which meant we found that to be the most. The range was the big number minus the small number. And the median was the middle. So we're going to take a look at something called an outlier. An outlier is going to be something kind of like something that's out of place. Out of place. Something that's either too big or too small for the given set of data. So when we take a look at this, we can put our numbers in order if we'd like. So I have a 1, 4, another 4, a 5, and a 6. Now, in this case, our outlier would be a number either too big or too small for our data set. In this case, 1 seems to be a little bit smaller because there could be a 2 and a 3 in between the 1 and the 4, whereas the 4 and the 4 are close, and then there's no gap in between the 4 and the 5, and no gap between that 5 and 6. So there is a gap in between the 1 and the 4. So for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a data set here, none there, none there. We have 2 data sets here, 1 here and 1 here. So do you see how all of our points kind of are over here in this area? This one's kind of the outlier. It's an outcast. It's too small for our data set. So our answer is just going to be 1. So the outlier is going to be 1. So that is it for the focus question. Great job!